Queens and Royal Court, thanks so much for coming back to a Model Queens channel. I just want to thank you for all of those who have subscribed already, and if you're new, welcome. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications, all that good stuff, so you can see all the stuff that I have going on. So this video I am reviewing a Nadula hair wig, and I'm extremely excited because it's a different hairstyle. I've never tried anything like this before, and it's also a different style of wig. This will be my first T-part wig, so I'm just really excited to see how that's gonna work and how it's gonna look. I have a feeling that it's gonna come out so cute. So before I go ahead and get to the wig install, I'm gonna unbox it for you and show you what it looks like, all the packaging, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. So just a standard black box. Yeah, it says Nadula on the front, and then on the back they actually put the care instructions. Oh, that was backwards. So yeah, these are the care instructions, so just like how to wash it and how to really extend the life of your wig. So that's pretty cool. So this is exactly what it looks like on the inside. So the wig itself, and then of course a couple of goodies, which is what we all love, and that's about it. So wig caps, of course. This is like that really light brown color. And then this looks like some edge scarves, and it looks like more than one. So let me see. Okay, and it's my colors, pink and purple. Oh wait, oh never mind, it's just one. Oh, that's cute. Has a little ombre effect. Cute. And then a girl on the front. So yeah, so purple in the middle, pink on the ends. Okay, now let's get to this actual wig. So here is the wig. Take off the net. So this is what it's looking like. And straight off the bat, like, it's extremely soft and it looks really nice. Like, you know, when you can tell, yeah, you can tell when like hair like looks pretty nice, but the texture is like very lustrous. Is that a word, lustrous? The wig, it has like a very high luster. I know it might be kind of hard to see on camera, but it's actually like really nice what the inside looks like. And I didn't even know that it came kind of like fake scalp. So as you can see, like the parting, how it has like, you know, this color, so that way it looks more realistic. And then I'll show you the part. Like, look at that part. That part looks great. Like, so I already know that I'm probably not gonna have to do too much for this wig, so that's awesome. And then this is a T-part wig, but it still has the lace on the inside, and it has no exposed tracks, which I like because it just looks more professional. It just looks more like high-end. And then the back with the adjustable straps, one comb in the back and two combs on the side. And of course the color has a cute highlights in the front. What I like about this wig too is that the highlights, like, it's like a decent amount. I thought it was just gonna be like a little strand, but no, the highlights actually pretty profound. So that's what that's looking like. And then let me tell you the details of the wig. This is the Nadula wig, straight highlight lace closure human hair wigs, 150 density Brazilian ombre color T-part lace part wig, and it's pre-plucked Remy hair with the front highlight. And again, this is 20 inches, so it's 20 inches, 150 density. The wig does look pretty nice. It looks really full right here. The ends don't look as full, but we'll see how it looks like when I install it. But overall, I'm pretty excited to see how this is going to look. And I'm really digging this part. This part is like perfect. And then I believe it's just like 4 inches of parting. So, okay. So, maybe like 5. But yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the install portion. queens in royal court. So as you can see, I finished the install and I'm loving it. Like, it looks like I got a fresh press. This hair, or this wig, looks like really natural. That's my favorite thing about it. Especially the lace. Like, the lace was so easy to like melt into my skin. Look at that. Look at that. Bomb. So I really loved how it came out. The style is really cute. I like how the blonde is like not too in your face, like it's just enough, it's just the right amount. It was really easy to just like straighten and style. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look curled, so I'll probably do that like one day. I'll try to update you all with that. Let me show you where it falls on me. So again, this is 20 inches, so as you can see, so I'm bringing it all in the front. So yeah, so you can see it's like right past my, right at my bra for 20 inches. And then let me show you what it looks like from the back. Okay, and then you can see where it falls at in the back, which is about the middle of my back. So this length is actually really nice. Y'all know I usually like really long hair, but I like this length because it just looks just like overall really natural. But like I said, I'm really feeling this wig. Oh, and also this wig was $152 and it is on Amazon. So Nadula hair on Amazon. So super affordable, and of course with the Amazon, you know, the shipping was super quick. I got it in probably like 2-3 days. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put all of that info in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.